animal is an elephant. Its scientific name is Loxodonta africana. They are commonly found in central and southern regions in Africa in the plains and savannas. Elephants live in family groupings of a dozen or more individuals. The social interactions between individuals of a herd depend upon many factors, including maternal lineage, age, gender, and personality traits of the elephants. The oldest female is the matriarch and guides the others. After males reach young adulthood, they leave the family herd and roam with bachelor herds. Females stay through maturity. Bonded elephants often are playful together. An elephant's umlaut consists of the auditory system first, as the hearing range for elephants is in the low frequencies between 5 to 16 Hz and the high frequencies 12,000 to 16,000 Hz. Some of their vocalizations are infrasonic, and they can even communicate long distances. Second is the olfactory system, as they can recognize other elephants by the smell of their urine and pheromones. They have about 2,000 genes for olfactory receptors and can distinguish between very similar odor molecules. Third is proprioception, as they are able to coordinate themselves and are aware of their bodies. And lastly, the visual system, as they can only see short distances up to 20 meters and are colorblind with only 2 color sensors in their retina for red and green. Elephants experience positive hydrotaxis in that they will move closer to water in places with greater moisture. They typically migrate at the beginning of dry season towards locations that have greater moisture levels. If an elephant was dropped from the top of the Empire State Building, it would probably explode upon impact. This is due to the large mass of the elephant, leading to a strong impact as it hits the ground at a high velocity. My scientific question is, in what way do elephants use their trunks most? To eat, drink water, spray water, or touching one another to interact? I hypothesize that elephants will use their trunks most to touch one another in communication, as they are very social animals. This uses Tinbergen's question of adaptive value or function, as it's why whatever behavior is most common will be most adaptive or useful for the species. My elephant aethogram will have the behaviors feed, the act of eating or manipulating food items via the trunk, drink, taking water into the trunk and placing it into the mouth, spraying, elephant spraying water out of the trunk, stand, remaining in the same location, walk, leaving the location to move to another location, and touching another elephant with its trunk to interact. I will use scan sampling to collect my data. This will be best to look at behaviors over a period of time of a group of elephants and allow me to see the most common way they use their trunks. I'll be able to see how many times each behavior happens in that group. To enhance the quality of my observational data, I will select a group of elephants in a location and from position of observation that I can best see what they are all doing. I can also do test-retest of my scan sampling observation video that I take to ensure I record the correct amount of behaviors at each time interval.